Hi, today we are going to link the EA account with Stream. For that, you need to enter into your browser and search for Apex Legend Electronic Arts. On the top right corner, just click in and sign in using the Stream account. Yeah, just click this EA account, Stream account to sign in. Just enter your username and password and the code you received in your mail ID. And you may see that sign in into Electronic Arts using your Stream account. Just click sign in. It may ask our permission to it asks like whether you are allowing or not, like, so just click allow. And some of the required details like your country, region, date of birth, those details you need to enter into your account. And following email address, just click next. And your visibility status, like your friends or anything, like punch in your read or accept your agreement and create account. You may receive a code to your mail ID you entered in the EA account. Just click the code, copy it and paste it in the region and click next. After all set, just click finish to enter into your EA account with Stream. Now the EA account and the Stream for Apex Legend is linked. So thank you for watching. For more, subscribe.